my mouth.
They will remove later. Tomorrow, finish na yan.
Pero the barber will get tired that it cannot cut my hair now.
It's okay lang.
Get it out. Get it out. The hair.
Later. Sige na. So, pogi ah. Is it okay lang? Tomorrow na magpipinish? Tomorrow na finish niya?
Joking lang.
Ha? Why?
You're joking lang.
Why will I joke?
You're joking lang yun.
When mapipinish yan?
Later.
Later lang? Finish na?
Opo.
I think tomorrow po.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Done na? Not yet pa eh.
Ano, it's yung ear ko pag ano. It's yung ear ko.
Okay, sige, wait lang.
So,
Ayan, done na. Done na ba?
still out.
Done na ba? Not yet pa.
Not yet pa.
Ayan na, lapit na oh.